St. Anderson TV. I was so excited because he was coming to the show, but he's a very conscious person and decided to be. But we have another guest. Other guest. La muchedumbre!
Yeah!
Thank you so much for Miss Kinka, that was so kind. Let's get down to it. We are going to make some delicious and cute cupcakes.
Wow!
The ingredients we're gonna need are 140 grams of sugar,
Wow!
115 grams of soft butter, 2 medium eggs,
Wow!
150 grams of flour, 125 grams of cream cheese,
Wow!
vanilla essence, baking powder, baking soda,
Wow!
lemon or orange zest, and 1 pinch of salt.
Wow!
So let's get
Yeah!
First of all, we have to mix the 115 grams of soft butter and the 140 grams of sugar into a bowl. You have to be sure the butter is in room temperature. And now we have to mix till it has the consistency of cream. Then you must add the eggs and mix very well. In that moment, add the 150 grams of flour and mix very well until all the flour is well combined. After that, add the 7 grams of baking powder and the 125 grams of cheese. Then mix until everything is well blended. Just then, add a half teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Then mix. Later, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and you can add lemon or orange zest. I will put lemon zest this time. And then mix very well. Finally, put the mix into paper cups to the oven. It can be a conventional oven or an oven specially for cupcakes, just like this, for about 20 minutes. Once they are like this, put them for about 20 minutes. Once they are ready, you can decorate them as you wish. Did you like it? Don't forget to like it. I hope you do this recipe at home. You have to do it. It is very good.